Do you spend the majority of your day selling on the telephone? Are you struggling to keep your confidence up while using the telephone to close those sales? In this video, I am going to share 3 strategies that will help you to not just increase your self-confidence in your ability to sell, but to sound more comfortable, more confident, and close more sales. My name is JAYNE Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, also known as the Communication Trainer. We work with organizations and individuals just like you to develop clear, concise, and confident communication and presentation skills. Are you ready to learn 3 strategies so you can sound more confident and close more sales on the telephone? Number 1, simply take a breath before even picking up the phone. Get in the habit of taking that breath because the magic is in that breath. Why? Because by breathing, we bring the air up, that opens and closes our vocal cords, and we sound more resonant. So as soon as you go to pick up the phone to make a call, simply take a breath. Number 2, and related, I want you to practice breathing in for 3 seconds and out for 3 seconds. Sounds easy enough, right? Breathe in and breathe out. You might ask why. Simply breathing in and out will relax you, will help you to prepare, get you ready for the call. Think of it almost like meditation. It is a fantastic way to relax and eliminate any fear that may be related to that call. Perhaps it's a really big prospect. Perhaps it's someone very important to your organization. So remember, just breathe in and breathe out to relax before making the call. And now number 3, how do we combine breathing and speaking? So here's an exercise. Of course, taking that breath is important, but being able to speak in that strong, confident voice is important to closing those sales. So I want you to practice with me. I want you to take that breath, and on the exhalation, we will count together to 15. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you notice that I stayed strong till 15? That is my goal for you. So practice taking that breath, speaking on the exhalation. Don't overthink this. Think of it almost like a magic carpet. You're taking that breath and you're going to speak on that exhalation on that magic carpet. The more you practice, the more resonant you sound, the more confident sounding you will be, the more sales you will close. And certainly I want you to report back, share in the description box after you practice this and come back sounding so much more confident. And now a little bonus tip for anyone that is still watching. Some of you may have grabbed those tips and ran to make a call because now you're excited to close more business and make more sales. If you remember this bonus tip, you're on your way to success. And that bonus tip is don't forget to practice. There are no shortcuts. There are no express lanes. you need to practice. I gave you a very simple exercise. Take a breath, count to 15. When that's easy, count to 20. Count as far as you can go. Build breath support so you can develop that strong, confident voice. Now, before you shut down, I want to remind you there's another video to watch. Another video on how to close sales on the telephone from another perspective. So grab the video. Don't forget to watch it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.